Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, I shot this image for a long time ago, 35mm reversal film, that's why it's kind of grainy. Well, I made watercolor type image and also that dry media illustration type image the other day. Then this time I want to try on oil paint. Let me see. I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always. And I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but just turn this one off now and I'm going to make this duplicate from this duplicate layer, this one, and I'm going to turn this base image, turn it off to keep it just in case, and I'm working on this image for oil paint. Look, okay, now let's get started. I'm going to convert to pixel layer so we can touch on this, then choose the brush oil paint detail first. Let's see, and paint, it's not paint, no color, it's gonna be like a smudging. Well, use a oil paint brush to smudge this, then maybe make a more smaller size, so this brush is gonna mix up color next to it. So this shirt is white color and mixed up with the skin tones like so. That's pretty neat, huh? This Fresco's AI do that maybe, I don't know. Oil paint, oil on canvas type image. Well, I'm gonna change the brush back and forth with the oil paint filbert. This one is kind of soft. So take these grains out also. Grains. This one has texture also, I think. Yeah, you can see the height of the ink, the paint. Does look. Now I'm using chunky, it looks okay, huh? On shirt, wrinkles and stuff. Now I changed brush, oil paint short. The chunky is good on skins, I think. Feel like a little bit softer paintbrush. This is chunky, right? Now I'm going to change to oil paint detail. Back to chunky. Okay, go for face, oil paint detail. No, Filbert. That's a soft, I think. A more soft touch. These guys are bluer eyes, so I'm gonna paint. I'm using a oil paint detail. Then no color. Just give it oil paint look texture. And also hair. Well, I'm gonna add some colors later. Touch pinkish, more reddish. Then if you were to no color, just soften up the grain and stuff. Oil paint grids. This one's lighten up chins. Okay, let's paint on her hair. Goes more brownish. Let's make her highlight. On this, maybe oil paint short. This one is first touch. You're gonna get color. Kind of reddish. I see the highlight. I'm gonna fix that face filbert. More small, soften. Okay, I need to lighten up around here though. So I'm gonna lighten up. Use the color a little bit dark. Use the oil paint filbert, I think. Let's pick up here about this. Then maybe lighter. I'm gonna use chunky, a little bit bigger size. I'm gonna use a little bit light color on, because this guy's neck is kind of dark. So lighten up, just touch. Well, let's see. Oil paint short. Short, here's first touch. Pick some color. This one is a good oil paint grays. Maybe, let me see. No, I'm gonna touch up later, but no, I want to do that background also. Pretty much details around. Again, continue to no color, but brush is gonna be, well, oil paint glaze, then make it bigger. Let's see, kind of rough paint. Okay, I go with oil paint chunky for background and a little bit bigger to blend with the little things. Now, I want some add colors. Well, I'm going to add a layer, then paint on this layer. Maybe, well, let's see this pencil drawing type. Turn it on. Now change to overlay, then tone down. How does it look? Let me see, lighten up this layer. Brightness contrast. Then add color balance. Add some more red on midtones. Some touch yellower and highlights side. Highlights. Go touch more red. Brightness. This one is color. Yeah, a little bit yellowish on. So I'm gonna go this one back to about -5. Touch cyan. No, red is okay. Okay, yeah, we don't need this. Otherwise, I'm gonna change the blend mode. Yeah, overlay is pretty effective, like about 20% or so. It's lighten up more sort of pastel look, even though this oil paint texture. Okay, just leave it there like this now. Then let's see. I'm not gonna use this paint layer, but I changed the color here, midtones, and her hair is okay. I touched on this. Okay, well, I'm gonna just a little bit touch up on back. Oh, or maybe I'm gonna make mask on outside, not just square cropping. Okay, create empty mask. Okay, I'm gonna hide outside. Give it more something texture. So how about scratchy Bristol? Well, does that look oil paint? Maybe add some light color. Let me see on this one. I'm gonna change to normal, then opacity up. Now in a clear layer, nothing. I'm gonna paint it on that. Maybe some, I think, touch Yeah, about this much. Well, I think that's it for today. And oil paint is kind of difficult for texture like face. It's gotta be need to be study more. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna help you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.